895, and I fucking hate my life. Let's fucking go. Data by system, EG state. This is the EG state data section for static data for editor game state. This is the object for when our program is behaving as an editor. Editor game state editor. And down here, we've made two changes, I think. So first of all, the fractal brush is turned off by default now, because it was annoying the fuck out of me. And the default tile that we're going to set down now is a bomb tile, because that's kind of what we're testing right now. And bomb simp, the simple bomb simulation code section, so this is the function section for that. Inside of the ticker function that executes once per game frame, bomb simp tick, we've made some adjustments. So here's where we're looping through every single room in the central level pack, and at the top of our loop where we're going in scanline order through every single tile in a level, we're going to reset this value called Fey, which if I don't remember, it stands for, Theta active explosion. Are we on an active explosion tile? We're going to reset this at the top of this doubly nested loop going through every single tile. And then down here in blow to hell, this is the section of code we expect to be entering if we detect that we have a bomb and that bomb is being covered by an explosion. I'm not getting into here for some reason. I don't know why, but let's move on, right? So we got rid of the const. We got rid of const. It's a let now. Otherwise, this line of code has not changed. Let's go further down. Okay, beneath the X loop, we've added the corrections to how we're seeking through the data. So once we get down to here, we're going to be off by 1 on the x-axis, because this is going to go out of bounds by 1 for the data pixel index. So we need to back up by 1 right here, and then we go down to the next row. And then, I forgot this, we need to minus 64 minus 1 as kind of like a carriage return to get to the first tile of the first row. So I forgot this. So we've created this kind of like typewriter analogy of a line feed and carriage return to explain how we're getting to the next row of data in our tile map in an optimized fashion. This 2048 is because we're on a 2048 by 2048 texture, and we're out of fucking time. We're out of fucking time. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because we don't got enough. We're out of fucking time. Like and subscribe.